What's up, kids? Today we're gonna do a little work on Bonnie. Yeah, and we're gonna be installing a disconnect switch from VstM. Now this is for side post. Hey, Bonnie's a side post, so we're gonna bring you in close. Stick around. All right. This could not be an easier setup, I'm telling you. Tells you everything you need to do. And here's the switch. Hooks to your positive. One comes from your cable, one goes right to the switch, or to the battery, and then that's it. Someone bring it down, bring it in, let's get this thing going, or shutting off, both. All right, we all know that Bonnie's fantastic, and it's good to keep batteries from discharging. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this guy right here, and we're gonna hook our battery to it. It's threaded for convenience. And of course we have this guy. And we'll just snug it up. Now this thing, I'm telling you, is pretty darn easy to do. Okay, take this one, bring it over to the positive. Bring it over to the positive and hook it up. We just gotta go. Let's thread it on there like yo. Five sixteenths. All right, we're gonna get these hooked up. See you in a minute. All right, pretty darn easy to set up. I did have to use my battery terminal connector to hook the cable to the switch, and then I used their bolt to hook it to the battery. So I'm gonna show you all about it right now. Now we know Bonnie's a little bit snug, so we're gonna get right in here. See that? Right there. And it reads the voltage on there, 12.3. Nope. Now, what we're gonna do is I got a trunk light in here, so I'm gonna show you how it works. All right, got the trunk light on. And then we shut it off. It's literally that easy, kids. That's it. That's all it takes. And it's telling you your battery charge amount all the time. Pretty darn cool. Hey kids, in the video you see that when I'm flipping the switch, the voltage is still staying on. Now, that was my fault. I actually had it hooked up backwards. I had the wrong one hooked to the battery and the other one, you know what I'm saying? So, make sure you read the instructions, because had I not looked at that, ultimately what would have happened is I would probably end up with a dead battery because of the light being on. And then so anyway, read the directions. Back to the video. This is a practical solution for storing your car. This does hook to the negative terminal, which is pretty darn cool. They do have this top post one as well, and then we have an on and an off both locations. See that right there and right there? Yes. So this is from VstM. We're going to talk a little bit about these guys are right here. It's from 5 volts to 80 volts. It'll turn off. It'll regulate that, and it gives you exactly how to do it. 90-degree turn. That's it. I'll tell you what, man. This thing is fantastic. I am really looking forward to using this when I store my cars, and even Peyton's car, the 09 Envoy, which I was going to do, but I had to go to the shop, has a side post, so we can actually use it for that. Being that she's not driving currently, she's got a little bit of practice yet to do, and then she'll be driving. But when it comes to your hot rods, right? You need to store them, which I'm at my storage place. This is Honest Peyton Speech Up approved. And I'll tell you what, there'll be a link in the description. I'll be putting, you've seen all the specs down at the bottom. Get yourself one of these and get yourself one of those switches from VstM and do it right now. Video's over. Keep on wrenching, kids.